Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of using the shape tool to change your letters. I already showed in the earlier video, if you get the shape tool and you select that node, you can do a lot with it. And I put in indexing lines so you're going to see this font is, well, this particular one is 600. This is 495. So let's make this font a little bit bigger. Let's make it 700 points. And you could see it made the font bigger, but it did not make your other letters bigger because you only had that one node selected. Now, in this case, let me back up here so it won't be quite so big. This font is lucid, black letter, and is non-boldable. Well, I've made several videos on that, and yes, it is. I'm going to left click, right click, and I've got the outline. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside one time. Now I'm going to go to Arrange and break contour apart. Now I can get red of the inside, and because it's a font, I don't have to use a color fill. I can just fill it in with black, and then do not forget to left click no outline, because you won't want that letter to ever cut out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.